In this video, I'm going to show you how to join two or more cells. One of the most important functions that you can use to do that is the CONCAT function. So the CONCAT function allows you to basically join two or more cells in Excel. Let's say you want to join the person's last name and their first name in column C. In order to do that, you type CONCAT. You select the first cell, comma, and the second cell. So here it's the person's last name followed by their first name. And there you go. So now you have created a new column with the person's last name and first name. But this doesn't look very nice because you might want to actually add a space or a dot in between. Right? So if you want to actually add a dot or a space in between, you can still use this concat function, but all you need to do is to just add those delimiters in your function. So let's go ahead and see how that can be done. So in order to do that, you would use the concat function. Suppose that you want to create a new cell in which you have the person's last name followed by a comma or a dot. Let's use a dot, and then their first name. So you use a dot, which has to be in this double quotation mark, and then you choose the contact's first name. And there you go. So now you have actually created a new column in which you have also added a dot in between. You can also change the dot to a space. So in order to have a space in between, all you need to do is to just, instead of a dot as a delimiter, you can just hit space on your keyboard and there you go. Now, let's say you want to actually create a new mailing list. And in this mailing list, you want to have the person's last name, a dot, their first name, and the Gmail address. That is also very similar to what we did. So we just use the dot, and then we add a Gmail address. It's important that anything that you type, which is a text, is in a double quotation mark. And here you can see that you have created a mailing list. If you just create this for all the contacts, you can see that you've created a mailing list for the people in your company. And that is a very quick and efficient way to use Excel to create any type of mailing list. So let me know in the comments below if you like more videos like this and hit the subscribe button.